Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me.
That's boring.
Dun 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 dun.
Chicken.
Chicken attack.
What the heck is that?
Alpaca for Gaia.
Chicken attack is better. Hello, ninja.
You almost made me drop it.
I almost hit you in the face too.
That's how much he ate.
Someday, people will look back on this video and think, what were they on?
People are not right. Right. And your head.
Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me.
I'm not looking at you. That was Jessica. That was Jessica being a freak.
Oh, what? Or fish? Freak.
I said freak, not fish. Where'd you get fish from freak?
I'm not sure.
What are you doing?
Stop looking at me.
I wasn't looking at you.
What is this?
What's what? Looks like a laser pointer. Will you
Just
turn
don't
that-
shine it in my face.
Will you turn that thing off?
Nope. I won't. What was that? You guys really don't like me right now.
Hello, Ninja Star.
Don't throw it at me! Throw it at Jessica!
It's fully wrapped.